substring in C++. Generally, if you have a string HELLOWORLD, I have a single string hello world with me. Substring can be anything. HELL can be one substring, ELL can be one substring, OWO can be one substring. Okay, so this is what we try to see, how to extract substring in a C++. I think when in C++ or in C programming, we do have a function substr. There is a function, inbuilt function in string.h header file. In string.h header file, we have a function substr. Okay, this function will help us in getting the substring. So how we do this, how many ways we can do this, and why we have to do this substring, we will see. One important application of the substring concept is that very popular question even for integer arrays, which is asked in placement or some coding competition, is find out or print all possible subsets of a string. Means if there is a string ABC, print all possible subsets. Okay, so in, I think you might be aware, in mathematics if you have a set 1 2 3, if you have a set S equal to 1 2 3, right? So power set contains, what does the power set contains? Power set contains null 1 2 3, then 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, and 1 2 3, right? This is generally we call it as power set in mathematics when we study set theory. Okay, so power set contains all possible combinations along with null. So when someone asks you what is the subsets, what are the subsets of this, yes, or the definition of power set is combination of all possible subsets of a given set is your power set. Same way, when I have a string ABC, okay, what are the possible subsets of this string? So only A, only B, only C, AB, BC, AC, then ABC. I want to print all of these subsets. So there are lot of placement level questions which are based on this logic. Okay, so let us try to explore these things in C++. Right, substring function is used for handling string operations like append and string concatenation. So what is the function? The function in C++ is substr. This is there in string.h header file, substr. Using this function, we can print the substrings. What are the arguments for this function substr? There are some arguments. Okay, this substr will take two arguments. One is the position, second one is the length. Position, it will take position and the length. Okay, it will take these two parameters. What does it indicates? How does this works? Substring, position and length. What is the position? From where do you want to print the substring? Okay, length, what is the length of that substring you want? Suppose there is a string HELLO. If I say substr of 1 comma 2, so begin from 1. What is the index 1? E. Index 1 is E. From there you take two character of string of length 2. It means E and L is the answer for this. Okay, substr 1 comma 2 means EL. Right, that way you can print the substrings in C++. Okay, so when you give position and length, you have to go till this way, including position till length. Let's see an example to understand this. See, I have a string here, hello space world. There is a space here, hello space world, single string with space, and I have written the indexing also here 0 1 2 3 4 till 10. Okay, suppose if I give s dot, that string s, okay, substr of 2 comma 3. Where is indexing 2? Here. Begin from here, go find out the substring of length 3, means 1 2 3. So answer will be LLO. Okay, answer will be LLO. So using this function substr, we can print all possible subsets, and this is very powerful in printing the placement, that coding, very important coding question which I said to print all. We will see that logic also, how to print all possible subsets of a string. We will see that problem as well. So next case, you see, if I give substring 5 comma 1, see position comma length. Okay, these are the two parameters. Position, from where you should begin. Length, what should be the length of the substring. Okay, so see this substring of 5 comma 1. So where is 5? 5 is at here, that is space. And how much length of substring I need? Only 1, means that alone, that one string, that one character only I am asking to print. So therefore we will get something simply null like this. Why? Because there is a space here. At location 5, a substring of length 1 means only this space will come like this. Okay, third one, you see substring 2 comma 0. Substring 2 comma 0. So I am saying begin from 2, position is 2. Okay, what is the length of the substring? 0. It means print nothing, because it is saying that length of that substring is nothing, 0. So it will give no output. Okay, it will give you no output because the length of the string is given as 0. So using this substr function, we can print the substrings. You can give the position and the length. You can give the position and the length. So using this logic, let us see how we try to solve some problems. Let's see some examples and try to understand how this substring works. So this is one simple example. So S1 is, I have written professional here, S1 dot substring 3 comma 2. So in professional, PROFESSI, so on. So this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Begin from 3. Where is 3? F. From there, how many characters should I take? I should take 2 characters only. So F and E. So FE will be the answer in this case. That I am trying to capture in a string R. I have declared a string variable R, and that I am trying to print it here. So answer will be FE. Just a demonstration. Now see this. There are 3 important applications of this substring. One kind of a question, get a substring after a character. Okay, so if there is a string like this, you see dog colon cat. Okay, this is a string. String can contain any keys on the keyboard, right? On the keyboard we have so many characters. Everything will be considered as a character. So now I want to print everything after a character. So here my character is this colon. So I want you to print everything like this. So for that, what we have to do, what is the logic? First we have to find out this colon. In this string, I have to traverse the string. Then what I have to do, I have to find the colon. Wherever there is the colon, that I have to find it out. This find will give me the position of that colon. Find will give me the position of the colon. Right. From there I have to print everything. One important point here, see, what is the syntax of substring? substr of position comma length. Right. What if I only give substring of position, only one parameter? This is also allowed. Length is an optional field. Position is mandatory. Okay, now if I give like this, what will it print? For example, same hello world example given here. If I write substr of, maybe I will write 7. Simply like this. So can you guess what is the output when I write substr 7? I am not giving the length. When you don't give the length, it will by default print everything from there. Okay, so substring of 7 means where is 7? Here. I have to begin from O. From there, I did not give any length. I did not give any length means you have to go till the end. So answer will be ORLD, because we did not give any length. So for the syntax of substr, that length is optional. Okay, using that logic I will come here. So I am saying you find out this colon. In string functions we have one function find. Okay, using this find I will find out where is this colon. That this find function will return me the position. That position I will take. See what is the question here? Get a substring after the given character. So I have to start beginning from position plus 1. If position is 3, I have to start printing from 4. So I will give substr of pos plus 1. That's it. I will not give the length because it will print everything after that character. Right? So this is one problem, one kind of a question. Get a substring after a character. Okay, so in this example they are asking there is a string dog colon cat, print everything after colon. So for that you see I have declared a string, I have used find function. This find function is available in string header file. Okay, I am using find function. So s dot find of double quotes colon, if I give, this will return the position of the colon in the string. So here if you see dog 0, 1, 2, 3. So at location 3 there is colon. Okay, so the position will contain 3. Now my question is print everything after the character. Print everything after the character. So what I have to do here? I have to write one more string sub. I am taking one more string sub. S dot substr of position, that is colon. From there the next no, because it is asking print after the character. So it is position plus 1. That's it. I will not give the next parameter len. Why? Because that is not required. I have to print everything from there. So what is position? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So from location 4 everything you print. So we get the answer as cat. Okay, so this is one application of a substring where you are, suppose you are given a character and you are asked to print everything after that character. Okay, these small logics will help you in solving the bigger problems in coding competitions or placement exams. Now let us discuss same kind of a question. Now the question is get a substring before a character. Suppose the question is before a character. In the same question like this, I want you to print everything before colon. Before colon. Okay, I am changing the question before colon. Right. So in this string dog colon cat, I want you to print everything before the colon. So I am expecting the answer to be dog. How we generally try to do this? Okay. So what we can do here, when I want to find out everything before this character, first I have to locate this, right? First I have to find it out that. So for that I will use find function. So s dot find of double quotes colon. This will give me the position. Okay, I got the position of this. Now what should I do? I want everything from the beginning till the position, right? I want everything from the beginning till the position. So what should I do? How should I write my substr of, I have to use two values here. What I have to see, I found out this location. You know what is substr? What is the logic of substr? It will print substr can print, it will take two parameters, the position from where I should begin and the length till where I should go. So definitely position will be 0, no? Because I want to print dog, position will be 0. What about length? How can you find out length? Right. So you have to use a length function. There is another function length. This will tell you the whole length of the string. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So length will be 7. What is my position? Position is 3. I got position as 3. Right. This is the position. So can you tell me what is the logic? What can we write here to get only dog? I definitely have to use substr function. Okay, and I know since I want to print everything before this null character, starting position will be definitely 0. What about this length? How long should I go? How do you find out the remaining length of this? Maybe here A, B, C, D, colon, E, F is there. I found out this position using find function. Find will tell me this one. Okay, how do you find out the length of this as 4? That is the question here. If you can find out the length of the 4, you will get, okay, position, with that position you can find it out. So before, you do not know, see, you do not know how many characters are there here, okay, but you know what is this? This is position is 3, right? So I have to give this position minus 1, right? I have to give here position, not minus 1, I have to give position. Again, I will repeat once again, the string is dog colon cat, okay, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position will get me 3. How? Using this find function. Find function will give me the position as 3. So, sub, str, I definitely have to bring everything before this. So, begin from 0, comma. When the position here is 3, means this is the 4th character. Means this is the 4th character. So, I have to print 3. So, simply put here POS, that's it. Because indexing and length is different, right? Indexing is 3 means there are already 3 characters. Index 3 means it is the 4th character. So, it means there are 3 elements. So, simply write sub str of 0 comma POS. That will give you the answer DOG. Okay, that will get us the answer DOG, right? So, that also here it is there. See, I am using find function and then I am giving sub str of 0 comma position. That will give me the answer DOG. Okay, the third important question and the very important question is print all substrings of a given string. Print all substrings of a given string. Let us understand the logic here. See, I have a string ABC indexing 0, 1, 2. I have a string S, that is ABC, indexing is 0, 1, 2. What is all substrings? I just now told you. Substrings means only A, only B, only C, then AB, then BC, then AC, and then ABC. These are all possible substrings. Okay, now let us try to analyze the logic. Okay, let us try to analyze the logic. See, first time I want to print only A. No, this see, first one it is only A. When I want to print only A, it means in the substring, okay, in this sub, str, what should I write generally? I should write the beginning 0 and length as 1. I have to write it here 1. Then only I will get A. Then again, to print only B, I have to give sub, str of 1 and again 1. Why? It will give me only B. Next, sub, str of which one? I have to give 2 and what length I want? Only 1 length. So, I will again give 1. So, if you observe this pattern, I can put this in for loop, right? This can be fixed, and this is 0, 1, 2. It means it is iterating from 0 to 2. Iterating from 0 to 2. Why only till 2? Because the length of the string is 3. It means I can have a loop for I0, I is less than length minus 1. I can do that because length is 3, length minus 1 will give me 2. Oh, I have to put, length only. If I put I less than length, then it will, if length is 3 means it will iterate from 0, 1 and 2 and stop. And this is always fixed to 1, right? So, I am just telling you the approach, that is not the actual answer. We are just trying to decode the approach. If you observe, to print only A, B, C, these are the 3 statements. So, it is changing 0 to 0, 1, 2 and this is fixed as I, that is 1. So, it means I can write sub str of I, where I is changing from 0 to 2. And this is fixed. This is fixed to what? It is fixed to 1. Okay, this is how we derived it. Let us see the second case. Let us see these 2 cases here. Let me erase it. Let us see what we have to write to print those values. See, now I am focusing on two variables. So, definitely I have to write sub str of begin from 0 and print 2, right? Print length of 2. Begin from 0, print length 2. Then in this case, what is the answer? A, B. Now again, sub str begin from 1, length 2. begin from 1, length 2, that is from B. So this will give me BC. Again SUB STR. Now here you tell what I have to write, begin from 2, but will it again go forward? No, right. If I give 2 and if I put 2 here, so begin from C, 2 means it will not come back again. It will not come back again. So there is some problem. But one thing is for sure, that no, this is again increasing. Right, this is again increasing. That is I equal to 0 to 2. So there is some for loop logic involved there. Right, how do I decide this value? How do I decide this value? Okay, if you observe both the analysis what we have done just now, right, this is nothing but I have to repeat till the length of the string. I have to repeat till length of the string. That is definitely because I have to go from 0 till 2. Right, so I know that n value is the length of the string. So for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I have to do this definitely. Now the second one, the second part of SUBSTR, the second part of SUBSTR, this is I fixed. What should be this value? See, sometimes it is 1 1 1, sometimes it is 2 2 2, sometimes it is 3 3 3. But again in this case it's only 2 2 and 1 3, like this. Okay, 2 2 2 and 1 3. Right, so this is changing from 1 then 2 and then 3. So we will take one more loop for j equal to 1, begin from 1. Okay, j is less than, right, j what it should be, actually it should be greater than, j is less than, till where I should go. See, it is repeating 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. So it is dependent on the I value. So j less than or equal to n minus I. Why? Because why it is n minus I? N is 3, minus 0 means 3 times. N is 3, minus I becomes 1 means 2 times. N is 3, n I becomes 2 means 1 time. Okay, this way you can find it out. So what we are trying to do here, right, for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n minus I and j plus plus. What you have to print here? SUBSTR of I comma j. SUBSTR of I comma j. So this will give you different combinations of substrings. Okay, it will give you different combinations of substrings. Right, so this is another logic using substring function to print different. See, you are moving, you are taking A, B, C, single things, then A, B, B, C, second thing, then A, B, C. Okay, these are all the different possible substrings of given string. Right, so this can be printed using this code here. Okay, yeah. So with this we complete the substring concept. We will try to discuss the other parts of C++.